Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a Bullx tutorial for beginners. First, go to the Bullx website and create an account by providing your details. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you can explore different sections like portfolio, market trends, and tools. Next, to start trading, go to the Trade tab. Here, you can choose the assets you want to invest in, like stocks, cryptocurrencies, or commodities. After selecting an asset, input the amount you'd like to trade and set your buy or sell options. Make sure to check the current market trends and news before making any decision. Once you're ready, click on Place Order to complete the trade. Bullx also offers several learning tools for beginners, like tutorials and webinars, so feel free to explore those for additional help. To track your investments, go to the portfolio section where you can see your assets and their performance. Lastly, always make sure to start with a demo account if you're unsure, as it helps you practice without risking real money. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.